Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to use saving option on Binance, and this is a very good option if you are holding any of the currencies, any of the cryptocurrencies. So go on to your main screen and go on to your home screen, and you will see the saving option over there, or you can go over here on more, click that. I click just more and then scroll down, and then you will see saving option over there. Click that, and over here it will give you two options. First will be flexible, or it will be locked. So what does it mean? Flexible is you can redeem the profit anytime, and locked is you locked it for a certain period of time. So let's go, and I'm going to show you the locked one. I'm going to show you how the percentages work as well. On flexible, you will get less percent. If you scroll down, you can see how many cryptocurrencies are available for the saving option, flexible saving option. And if you go on to lock, you will see the lock for a certain period of time. So the period of time could be different for different currencies. For example, in USDT there are 30 days and 60 days available. For AXS you can see it's 15% available. For cake it's 20% available. And for docs, so if you go on, there are different kind of different percentages available for different days. So for this video I'm going to use font. I have some of the font coins already over here, which is showing the what it is going to yield 45% annualized interest rate. So this is annualized interest. So annualized interest rate means it is on annual basis. So 45% is not the rate for 14 days, it is a rate for the year. So yeah, I'm going to go on subscribe button there, and over here now it will give you an if it will say what is the lot size that you can invest in. For the lot is 100, fund has to be one lot, and maximum that you can invest is 1000 lots and 1000 lot. So over here I have 3 lots available already, so I will press maximum, and then I will see. So for 3 lots that I'm going to invest on this for 14 days, the expected interest rate is 5.178. So after 14 days, this is what I'm expecting to get as a profit on 300 fund. I will get 5.178 extra. So that is a very good deal for me. So yeah, I will select, yeah, I accept that, and then I will press confirm, and that's it. I have been subscribed. So it is for the 14 days. So over here you can see the date of subscription is today's date, and the redemption, start of redemption will be on 28th. So yeah, on that date I can redeem it. Once the 14 days has elapsed, it will go into my wallet, into my spot wallet anyways. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's all done. So this is how you do the savings of your cryptocurrency. Put it on the saving account, and then you can keep on getting the profit. If you are holding, that's the best way to do it as anyways. So thank you for watching my video. There are other videos available on cryptocurrency, please check out my channel. Thank you very much.